crispy chicken, melted cheese, and hot honey. And this sandwich is seriously addictive. Welcome to FlavorNest Kitchen USA. Today we're making the ultimate hot honey chicken sandwich. Season the chicken generously, then coat it in a crispy seasoned breading. Now fry it until golden, crunchy, and perfectly juicy inside.
Add a slice of cheese while the chicken is still hot and let it melt. Toast the brioche bun, spread the sauce, then add lettuce, pickles, crispy chicken, and that beautiful hot honey.
Look at that crunch, that cheese, and that hot honey.
Would you try this? Follow FlavorNest Kitchen USA for more delicious recipes.